Just a follow-up to the first video about the walker mower. I had mentioned that I had replaced the fuel injection computer and wiring harness. There's actually more to it. Thought maybe people would like to know what was all involved. So here is the kit. I showed everything that came with it that I had to replace the engine. The problem I was having was just poor running, intermittent stalling, wouldn't restart for a while. It wouldn't cycle the fuel pump on and off as it was supposed to. Kept setting check engine lights for odd codes, even though everything else was checking out fine. A really good local walker dealer, and this guy is really good. He knows what he's talking about. And that's what he recommended I do after exhausting all their options, so that's what we did. There's the old computer. You'll see it's production date of 2002, which makes sense. It's a 2003 machine. All the pins look fine. There's no green crusties on there, as Eric O would say from South Main Auto. Green crusties. So that was that. It also comes with basically this entire assembly. This is the old one. The new one looks just like it, but obviously nice and new. But it comes with an entire intake manifold. Comes with injectors, throttle position sensor, whole wiring harness, whole assembly. Again, here's the connector that goes into the computer, and it looks okay. I mean, the pins you can see, not everyone is used, but the ones that are present don't look corroded. I tried cleaning with contact cleaner. I tried taking a little pick and adding a little more tension to the pins, and just didn't really want to cooperate. Yeah, you hate to spend all that money, but sometimes you have to. I only have a couple of hours on it with the new setup, and it's been fine, so hopefully it stays that way. Also came with this crank position sensor here. I had to swap brackets. This bracket that it came with, the new one didn't really work properly for me, so no big deal. Just took the old cast piece, swapped it over. Worked out well. Could almost use this to make a carbureted Kohler twin fuel injected. I don't know what would be involved or what you'd need beyond this. You know, obviously you'd need the fuel pump, things like that. But it's nice not having a choke. I don't mind carbureted stuff, you know. Fuel injected makes life easy sometimes. Better fuel economy too, and it doesn't stink. Once it's warmed up, it burns really clean. Very little smell at the exhaust. I mean, it's obviously even the carbureted ones don't smell like a two-cycle or anything like that, but there's still more smell. There is no catalyst on there to further reduce emissions, but it burns very clean. There's really no soot inside of the exhaust pipe or anything like that. Okay. Any other questions? Just make a comment, and I will respond if I can with the appropriate answer. If I don't have the answer, obviously I can try to get you in the right direction. Like I said, I know a guy. He's good. Alright.